Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Lincoln Village receives 2 road projects. Maulai MDC Trebor Lang Pathau lays the foundation stone of Maulai Maukanraw Umshing Community Hall. Neotrep Youth Council of Krang undertakes cleaning drive of Krang Market. And Press Information Bureau organizes media workshop on Let's Talk Budget 2022. And now the news in detail. Lincoln Village has received road projects at an estimated cost of 3.15 crore rupees and 37 lakh rupees respectively. Meghalaya Community and Rural Development Minister Hamlet Dorling has laid the foundation stone of the road. Present on the occasion were the Executive Engineer of Shillong South, W.R. Lingdo, and the leaders of Lincoln Village.
Lembaga report bagaimana speak by bak nong Shillong.
Por Singapore di Hamlet isi pun bijangi kalau long kumno kalengkin. Tinggi si pentip bakal ayat cita-cita tempat ibudin nak kau kapor sebuah kapor. Badak kat wei terik jong ni punai Februari beladap ilayo yang sanction tu kapura. Tigi badai bat kikam ban ya ai jing teris kontraktor ngila jan ya develop hi. Bat ngikirmen ba hagini kendiat sengi salah ban petrino ya kah.
The member of Khasil's Autonomous District Council, Trebor Pathau, who represents Maulai MDC, today laid the foundation stone of Maulai Maukanraw Umshing Community Hall in Shillong. The community hall will be built at an expenditure of 30 lakh rupees from the Chief Minister's Development Fund 2021 to 2022.
Chief Minister kan sepensengau hi, ndai tamat pensengau hi, ya kan ni memorandum ngin salit lang hi bat hi, pinai lam Shillong la syam teo hi. Nelawan mai benlit ben penikendo badi badio ben pensengau nakam ta kini jingdan kam ki bangsa ki bak Shillong ka angnut ya ka ba ngkhwinti ba kan sepoi kini kalat lu nakam ta banyo ya kini kejiram
ke ko puram ka bamangi nyen pha ka khubor chai bat ngit skam ba kat kini ki development works ki play ia kini Shillong jungi ka jing trei kini ki surak ka jing penhe biang ka tai ka bai pa sang tai bat kejeng sedang biang kini surak ne pok Shillong nak bentai ki jentre kiwi ki babon ki jeng dan kam jungi hang ne pok Shillong yang ngit skam mai insapek ka ya kan ne ka Shillong insapek kerpang ringkat bat ka jeng lek lang jung iba tebor pathau iban bot dien kini ki kam ken seorlong ha kan ne ka Shillong ka thau jungi.
The social organization belonging to Neotrep Youth Council of Krang today undertook cleaning drive of Krang Market. This cleaning drive was participated by the President of Voice of the People Party, Arden Basayomoy, and members of this political party.
Kialek banyak yang cilimpi ke macam gendong-gendong. Yen hap panong kipat bak kita start. Habangi ngi gini. Tika mong ko semua tunat pada don ringkat pati ke seng HYC. Habang atim pa pinpulong yang ka program ngakwa pada don ringkat nawar balai ngaju semua tunat ban aimen sim iki kon samla. Habang ki sim ka sin jam ban le iki kam ki babha. Ban penbe ya ka jingpen khoj kalong ka badon kam. Kami tangga mat, lani kami tangga ka jing pendap rukom ka jengpi, mereka long ka jing kai ni bangin semut hukum no berlekut.
A media sensitization workshop titled Let's Talk Budget 2022 was held today at Shillong Club, organized by Press Information Bureau Shillong in association with Shillong Press Club. The GST Commissioner Shillong C. Songate attended the workshop as a chief guest and stated that such function will help sensitize the journalists on the 2022 budget, which is very important for the nation. Associate Professor Finance IIM Shillong Professor Neelam Rani and Assistant Professor Department of Economics Nehu Dr. Darishishawar deliberated on the Union Budget of 2022 and the State Budget 2022, bringing up different aspects which are of importance to the nation and the state. Experts from the Central GST Commissionerate, Shillong, Debashish Modak and Jenny Khawlining spoke on the various aspects of GST and how it is implemented in the state.
People for the people, and this budget translates these three aspects, three dimensions of our unique democratic structure within the policies.
This is also the need of the hour. It shows how much the government is sincere in investing in our future, that is the youth. And in fact, 7% of the total budget has been allocated for the development of the youth. Of course, it would have been better if we have more investment in the youth. But anyway, it's a very good initiative by the state government. And then we also have the Sustainable Development Goals budgeting.
Various NGO groups of Garo Hills, including the Achik Holistic Awakening Movement, Garo Students Union and FKJGP Garo Hills Unit, today filed a complaint against the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana road, which connects Kalchengre to Rongramp area. The NGOs lamented the condition of the road due to poor quality. These NGOs said this stretch of the road was constructed by MP Agarwal Company and complaints were also lodged against the company. The Silsila United Garo People's Forum leaders today expressed their displeasure with the construction of the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana road by the MP Agarwal Company at Apal Chidi Nagri village under the Silsila block, West Garo Hills district. After receiving complaints from residents of the village, the NGOs went for inspection in the said area and found that the road had been in a very dilapidated condition due to very poor management. Speaking to media persons, UGPF President Togan CH Marak said that the NGOs of the area have filed a complaint against the company and also demanded that the road should be properly repaired and maintained at the earliest.
Mama na songni songni kondomo
ya songni sunga ya
lokmani yang surang mo nigi muna mama ya kamrang kura na songni develop na rama da langar kura bali bidu.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.